High winds continue to make things difficult for anybody doing anything outside.
Ross Guidotti continues our team coverage. He shows us some of the problems the weather has created.
I guess the best way to describe the winds that tore through the area were cold, powerful, relentless, and as you can see behind me, damaging. The wind was so fierce and cold, it was enough to make a person cry.
It's crazy. Like, look at my ass watering. It's just too much. I need 70-degree, 80-degree weather.
The stiff breeze laid waste to just about all signs on city sidewalks and any signs that happened to be hanging. The wind also did a number on anyone trying to walk against it.
I would honestly say it is challenging. And at my age, just making sure I can try to stay stable. The wind is doing a good job having me not stay stable walking.
Stability of power lines was a huge issue all over the place. High winds took down lines, trees, and in some cases both.
I just heard this giant bang, so.
And out went the lights.
And out went the lights.
Lisa Papenchak says that's what she heard when the wind snapped one tree, which hit another tree. All of the lumber tearing down wires along Nelson Run Road right in front of Papenchak's home.
My driveway is blocked.
What are they telling you about cleaning it up?
The neighbor just said between 12:30 and 1:30 they might show up.
Ross Township Fire did the best they could do, and that was close off the road until all the debris was cleared. Lisa Papenchak says this isn't the first time this kind of thing has happened to them, and they've learned from it.
My husband just hooked up the generator. We won't have heat. We don't have any lights, so.
In Ross Township, Ross Guidotti, KDKA-TV News.